Hey everyone, welcome back to our Monday night weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. Hope you had a good weekend. The weather was beautiful. Lots of sunshine, clear skies, cool temperatures, but all in all, not too bad, and especially for Halloween night, it was pretty good too. Here's our weather photograph for tonight. This was sent in by Nancy and Mark Hummel yesterday. If you did not see it, there was a magnificent sunset. They were able to capture it for us, and as you can see, once again, the beautiful reds and pinks. And again, as always, if you have a photograph, please send it to photos@ktvf11.com. We'll share it with the rest of the audience. Our numbers look like this. The high today, 23. Right now, 19 degrees. Low last night, 10 degrees. Record high, 43 in 1928. Record low, 31 below in 1907. Your sunrise and sunset, not quite 7.5 hours of daylight, and that's a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar shows a little bit of activity moving across the southern sections of Alaska, a little more intense across southeast Alaska, bringing rain there. But again, the Alaska Range is blocking all the moisture from coming into the Fairbanks area, so we're not looking for anything at all to be happening for the rest of the week. A very uneventful weather pattern. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, it is raining around Juneau, also around Ketchikan, and some showers at Kodiak Island and Cold Bay. Anchorage checking in with 32 degrees. Not too bad at Nome, partly cloudy 25 there. Cloudy skies at Barrow at 13, and Fort Yukon clear in 3 degrees. Lower 48 weather. Looking over the Pacific Northwest, the rains have returned to the Seattle area, 57 degrees there. Some rain falling around the Dallas and Fort Worth areas. And the rest of the western half of the country looking pretty good for the most part. Lots of sunshine. And it's all not too bad over the eastern half either. As you can see, just a few scattered showers around the Miami area. Otherwise, partly cloudy to cloudy skies up and down the eastern seaboard. And the overall satellite radar, again, showing a little bit of energy moving way across the central sections. That's what's bringing the rain to the Texas area. But nothing real organized or strong, especially over the Pacific Northwest. Looking at a few showers there. But all in all, a pretty good weather pattern. And the overall picture for Election Day is calling for a little bit of rain across parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Otherwise, the East Coast looking pretty good, and the western section's looking pretty good too. Well, back to our outlook for the later on this week of the jet stream, taking a big dive way down to the south over the eastern half of the country. That means colder air and a lot of opportunities for more rain over the northeast sections. While out to the west, things look really good there. Very pleasant, very warm temperatures to continue. Back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like in the northern sections. Cloudy skies expected at Barrow, mostly sunny skies at Nome, and partly cloudy for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, another great day. Just partly cloudy skies for Fairbanks, Healy, and Delta Junction. Temperatures in the low teens, though, so pretty chilly. Tomorrow's forecast for southeast Alaska, scattered showers today with its significant winds increasing over the region, mainly because that area of low pressure is sitting across the southeastern sections. Juneau about 47 degrees, or actually say Ketchikan 47 degrees, Juneau 43. Over to the southwest, a mixed bag of weather once again. Partly cloudy skies for Bethel, rain and snow showers at Cold Bay, and also some rain and snow shower activity at Kodiak. And if you head on down to the Anchorage area, not all that bad. Partly cloudy skies covering the Anchorage, Homer, and Valdez areas. And temperatures low to mid 30s, so all in all pretty good. Okay, once again, time for our kids' weather, and we're back with the kids. This week we're visiting with the children from the Denali Elementary School region. And as far as our visitor tonight, here's a young lady to talk about a very strong windstorm that made her family very uncomfortable during a hiking journey. That's what I'm trying to think.
Emily and I went on a camping trip. When we left, it was sunny, but for some reason, when we were putting up the tent, a storm happened. But we put our tent up in time, but forgot to stake the pegs into the ground. All of a sudden, it got windy and rainy, and our tent blew off the ground.
And thank you, Kira, and thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. Tomorrow night, another young lady will be here to share a picture with us. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looking at overnight lows right around 1 degree with clear skies continuing. Tomorrow's forecast for Election Day, a few clouds, otherwise very little change. 12 degrees, no reason to prohibit you from getting out and voting. And your extended forecast, absolutely no change going on. Maybe a little warmer temperatures by Sunday, and overnight lows will also be cooling down 3 to about 10 degrees below on Wednesday night, but 3 degrees below zero Thursday, and then warming up to around 0 for Friday and Saturday. And like I said, maybe some clouds in on Sunday. So all in all, not that bad.